everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Mr. English Learning Center, the place where learning English is simple, friendly, and fun. My name is Jessica, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Jessica, and hello to all our wonderful friends who are listening right now. Whether you're at home, on your way to work, or relaxing somewhere peaceful, it truly feels like a beautiful day to practice English together.
It really does, Mike. Today feels calm, comfortable, and perfect for learning. I'm feeling very relaxed. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic. Thank you for asking. I have my tea right here, I'm sitting comfortably, and I'm completely ready to enjoy a nice conversation with you.
That sounds lovely. I'm really glad to hear that. A calm mood makes learning English much easier.
Before we begin today's conversation, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you're enjoying this podcast and learning something new, please click the like button. It's just one small click for you, but it supports Mr. English Learning Center in a big way.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We would love for you to become part of our English learning family.
Also, please share this episode with your friends or family members. Learning English together is always more enjoyable.
That's very true. English is better when we learn it with others. All right, Jessica, you mentioned earlier that you're feeling especially relaxed today. Why is that?
Well, Mike, it's because today's topic is very peaceful and calming. Just thinking about it makes me feel relaxed.
Oh, I like peaceful topics. They're my favorite. So what are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about life in a small town, specifically the daily routine, the strong sense of community, and friendly neighbors.
Wow, that's a wonderful topic. I really love small towns. They feel so different from big cities.
They really do. Let's imagine something together. Mike, you wake up in a small town early in the morning. What is the very first sound you hear?
That's a good question. In the city, the first thing I hear is traffic. Cars, buses, horns, and noise everywhere.
Beep, beep. Yes, cities can be very loud and busy. But in a small town, the sound is completely different.
I think you hear birds.
Exactly. You hear birds singing, you hear the gentle wind moving through the trees, and everything feels quiet and peaceful.
That sounds amazing. No stress, no rushing, just nature and calmness.
Yes, mornings in a small town move slowly. There's no need to hurry or feel pressured.
I really don't like rushing. I enjoy taking my time, especially drinking coffee.
And that's perfect for small town life. Many people sit outside on their porch in the morning.
The porch, that's the front part of the house, right?
Yes, exactly. They sit there with a cup of coffee or tea, watching the sun slowly rise.
That sounds like the perfect way to start the day.
It really is. Everything feels gentle and unhurried.
So after enjoying the morning, do people go to work?
Yes, they do. But the commute is very different from city life.
The commute meaning the journey from home to work.
Correct. In big cities, commuting can take an hour or even longer because of traffic.
Oh, don't remind me. Sitting in traffic makes me so frustrated.
I know. But in a small town, many people can simply walk to work.
Walking to work, that's great exercise and very healthy.
Exactly. Or if they drive, it usually takes only 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That sounds like a dream come true.
Yes, it gives you more time for your life and more time for people.
People? You mean neighbors?
Yes, neighbors and community are a huge part of small town life.
I really like the word community. It means people living together, supporting each other.
Exactly. In a small town, you recognize almost everyone.
Almost everyone? Really?
Yes. When you walk down the street, you see familiar faces everywhere.
That's very different from the city. I see many people, but I don't know them. Everyone feels like a stranger.
That's true. In cities, people walk fast and look at their phones. But in a small town, people make eye contact and greet each other.
They say things like, "Good morning, Mrs. Robinson," or "Hello, Mr. Miller."
Yes, just like that. And they often stop and talk for a few minutes.
What do they usually talk about?
Simple things like the weather, their garden, or how their family is doing.
That feels very warm and polite. It makes people feel connected.
Connected, that's the perfect word. You don't feel alone.
And I think neighbors help each other more in small towns. Is that true?
Yes, it's very true. Let me give you an example.
Okay, I'm listening carefully.
Imagine you're baking a cake, and suddenly you realize you don't have any sugar.
Oh no, a cake without sugar is just bread.
Exactly. In the city, you'd have to rush to the supermarket and waste time.
But in a small town, you just walk next door.
Yes, and you ask, "Hi, can I please borrow a cup of sugar?"
And most of the time, the answer is yes.
They're happy to help because next time they might need eggs.
That makes sense. It's give and take.
Yes, that's real community. People trust each other. Do people lock their doors in small towns?
In many very small towns, people sometimes leave their doors unlocked during the day.
Wow, that shows a lot of trust. Yes, because neighbors look out for each other.
It really feels like one big family.
Exactly. Now let's talk about shopping in a small town.
Okay, is there a big mall?
Usually no. There are small local shops.
Like a bakery or a butcher?
Yes, and the shop owners are your neighbors too.
So when I buy bread, I know the baker.
Exactly. His name might be Tom or Jerry.
Tom the baker. I already like him.
And Tom knows what you like. He might say, "Hello, Mike, your usual bread today?"
That feels very special.
It is, but there is one small negative.
Oh, what is it?
The shops close early.
Ah, yes. In the city, shops stay open very late.
But in small towns, by 6 in the evening, most shops are closed.
So no midnight milk.
Exactly. You must plan ahead.
I think that's okay for peace and quiet.
I agree. Now let's talk about the evening.
Okay, what happens at night?
It gets dark, very dark.
Are there streetlights?
Some, but not many.
In cities, it's always bright.
In small towns, you can see the stars.
The stars, that's beautiful.
You can sit outside and hear the crickets.
Chirp, chirp. Yes, the sound of nature.
That sounds relaxing. And the air is fresh and clean.
Fresh air is good for health.
Yes, less pollution, less stress.
Stress is a big city problem.
In small towns, busy is different.
Busy, gardening, and family busy.
Exactly. But small towns aren't for everyone.
Because there are no big cinemas or clubs.
Yes, it's a slower life.
I think I would like it for a vacation.
A small town vacation is perfect to recharge your battery.
Recharge your battery, get energy back?
Exactly. What about festivals?
Small towns love festivals.
Like pumpkin festivals?
Yes,
I want to judge the pie contest.
you would be perfect. Time really flew today.
It always does when we're having fun.
Let's quickly recap.
Quiet mornings, short commutes,
Friendly neighbors, borrowing sugar.
local shops, and peaceful nights.
It sounds like a lovely life.
It really does. Now, a question for our listeners.
Do you live in a big city or a small town?
Which do you prefer?
Tell us in the comments.
Writing comments is great English practice.
Don't be shy.
Please subscribe to Mr. English Learning Center.
Like this video and share it.
Thank you so much for listening.
We truly appreciate you.
Have a peaceful day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.